All right, guys, let's take a quick look at SEI. We actually looked at SEI a few days ago. I think we were actually below this line the last time we looked at it. Now, we did break out of this trend on the 15th of July, so about a week ago we broke out. And basically, we made our way up to this resistance here. It's a daily resistance up here at about 38.6 cents. Now, we broke through it a couple of days ago, and we actually managed to retest it yesterday. And that was quite a good retest because you can see how deep we went, and we got a nice hammer candle basically. Now today we also did retest it, not as much, but if we zoom in, you can see it was retested there. And right now it is starting to take out this range here, so that's a good thing. And I think if we draw a trend line and an upward, trend line here, let's just see what happens. How do I want to, let's see, maybe I need to readjust this a little bit, but this one's kind of hard to adjust, but maybe if I put something like this, yeah, that might be the best trend line right there, actually. You can see basically it rides along it here, it comes down, kind of retests it, and it kind of closed almost on that line, but you can see it was slightly maybe under. Now remember, this line isn't 100% perfect, so it's close enough. It managed to get back above the trend on the 19th of July. And yeah, it's retested this trend line a couple of times. So right now it does have this support of this trend line and this daily support. So I do expect that it's going to make its way back up to the top of this Fibonacci, which is the reaccumulation zone basically, and try to break out. Once it gets to about 45.5 cents, it's going to be broken out. Next resistance will be this weekly resistance up here at about 47.3 cents. So that's what SEI looks like right now. Bitcoin, on the other hand, Bitcoin is still looking good, guys. But as I said, this area, this $300 zone is going to be kind of tough to break through. Now, you can kind of see like it almost reached it on the 19th. It really got very close. You can almost count it. On the 20th, it did go into the zone, got rejected. Yesterday, it actually blew through this zone, and it looked like we were going to hold it probably because we were quite a bit above it. But since then, we kind of came down, and basically, where was this gap formed? I think the close was, okay, 66660 was the close on Friday. And we have been as low as 66559. So guys, we went down $100 more than the close on Friday. So basically this CME gap is filled now. Like I said, I don't really trust CME gaps so much, but okay, 95% of them get filled one way or another. And yeah, guys, this time it did. When I took my risk and I kind of closed my trade, and I thought maybe I had a chance of it going down to fill that gap, it didn't. Now, maybe that gap remains forever. Maybe probably in the bear market it will get filled. At the deepest of the bear market, I think it could get filled, which I think it's what, $57,000 or $58,000, somewhere around there, guys. That'll probably be somewhere around the bottom. In my opinion. But anyways, yeah, I mean, we did fill this gap. Let's see what happens now. If I put this on the 15-minute chart, it's just kind of going sideways really lately, a little bit down, in fact. So yeah, let's see, guys. I mean, all in all, Bitcoin still looks okay in my opinion. Now, if we talk about the economic calendar on Thursday, you're going to have some economic things like durable goods, jobless claims, GDP, things like this, PCE prices for Q2, real consumer spending and things. Now, also on Friday, there is going to be PCE price index. There's going to be real personal consumption, personal spending, personal income. Dallas Fed, PCE, Michigan numbers. All of this, is going to affect Bitcoin some way or another. So let's see what happens, on Thursday and Friday, guys. Now, that's all I got for you on SEI. Just remember these targets and numbers, and I have to say, for now, it's looking good, and Bitcoin is still looking good, So yeah, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.